Let's check out an exemplar paper from kindergartner Bridget. Bridget did an excellent job completing her happy handwriting with the letter W worksheet. Bridget traced and wrote capital and lowercase w on her paper. What great penmanship she has! Bridget found the capital and lowercase w that she thought were her personal best and wrote the word wow above them. Way to go, Bridget! Bridget also did an excellent job coloring her two pictures that started with the letter W. And on her own, when she had to draw something that starts with W, Bridget drew a wonderful picture of some watermelon and a wagon. Well done, Bridget! Thank you for sharing your exemplar paper with us so we could celebrate you in our video.